This video is going to demonstrate how you can set up the proper squat rack height for your specific height, in addition to setting up the safety pins based off of how low your squat depth really is. To begin, we will start off with the squat rack height. A good rule of thumb that I always give to people is set a height as high as you can that allows you to actually unrack the bar with your knees only slightly bent. As you can see right here, my knees are only slightly bent, and to actually get the bar out of the rack, I only have to push up a tiny bit before I can step out and begin to squat. If you set your pins too low, you will essentially be doing a mini squat to actually get out of the rack before you begin. And if it's set too high where your knees are completely straight to get it out, you might even have to do a tippy toe walk to get the bar out of the squat rack. So play around with this and find a position with a tiny bit of knee bend that allows you to walk it out easily. Now that we've got that, we can focus on the safety pins. A good rule of thumb for the safety pins is to allow them to be as low as they can, so if you do need to dump the bar behind you, you can just lean back and let it roll off. This is where I'd highly recommend playing around with positions before you actually load it up with maximal weight. So as you can see, I have the safeties in a good position where I'm allowed to actually go to my full squat depth, and just in case I actually fail this, I can just lean back and the bar simply rests there. Again, this is all relative to yourself. Find positions that work for you, try different ones out, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if this helped you out. We help individuals of all abilities inside the gym and become healthier in life. Otherwise, you can check out this other video in the pinned comment I think you'd also enjoy. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.